Lithium-ion batteries are used more and more widely. To meet market demand, we produce lithium-ion batteries with excellent performance. For those customers with high performance requirements, we can provide lithium-ion batteries with more advanced functions and smarter designs. This is a 25.6V 200Ah floor cleaning machine's battery. In addition to that, we have batteries in 24V, 48V, and 72V versions. No matter how floor, standing machine use, we have the right battery for you to choose from. Lithium batteries are designed and built from the ground up, the ATM of battery experts to meet the power and energy requirements of commercial floor machines. BSLBATT floor machine lithium batteries feature the benefits of lithium batteries. 4000. Fast charging. Let's monitor the status of charge. Internal battery monitoring system. Temperature control. IEC UN 38.3 CA certification. Partial state of charge tolerant. Lower total cost of ownership. After testing, we encapsulate a product, affix an exclusive label, and then a special stir die box to protect the safety of the battery. Finally, lithium batteries will be sent to love you all. Interested in upgrading your fleet?